We began at 6 with a new record high in daily COVID-19 infections. The state reported 11,300 new cases in just the past 24 hours. Thanks for joining us. I'm Craig Day.
And I'm Lori Fulbright. Hospitals are expecting even more patients, and many say they're already overwhelmed. News on 6's Emery Bryan is live with that story for us. Emery?
Well, Tulsa's largest hospitals are filled with patients between COVID, flu, and just the everyday ailments. And it's everywhere. Today over at Stillwater Medical Center, they have too many patients and not enough staff. Stillwater Medical Center does not have enough rooms to hold the number of patients who need hospitalization, and there's not enough staff to work the rooms they have. Friday, the hospital reported 118 employees were out sick.
Unfortunately, with this surge, it has hit a huge number of our staff members, so we have not had enough staff to take care of patients.
The hospital has declared its own emergency because of sick employees and the wave of COVID patients. The hospital is licensed for 117 beds, but has only enough staff for 94 patients. Other patients are waiting in the emergency department.
We have a 15-bed emergency department. We've added an additional 10 hall beds, plus we are triaging or seeing, prioritizing patients in our waiting room and actually doing some care in the waiting room if we can.
Michael says about 3 out of 4 COVID patients are unvaccinated, and the anxiety of patients who may or may not believe they made the right decision is also a burden on the staff treating them.
They're a lot more demanding and angry and won't comply with our masking policies, and it just compounds the situation.
Nurse Michael says that stress is really impacting the staff, not just at her hospital, but at other hospitals she hears about as well. And that, of course, is having a negative effect on patient outcomes, she believes, just because the staff is overworked and overstressed. Of course, that comes as this next wave of patients, of COVID patients, that is at least a few weeks away. Reporting live in Tulsa, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's own News on 6.